Kat.
Hi, Kat. Do you use lotion, I guess?
Yes.
How often?
Every time I take a shower, like after I clean bath, I slather of lotion.
Slather.
Yes.
Okay, slather. So you're gonna do some slathering now. So, what do you want? Hindi lather, it's slather. Ano ibig sabihin yun? It's like climbing up the ladder and you're slathering the lotion.
Intense lather.
Intense lather. Okay. Sa Tagalog, haplos na. Grabe, grabe. What are you looking at look for in a lotion aside from using it daily?
Well, gusto ko yung hindi greasy and easily absorbed by the skin.
Ah, okay. How about if somebody makes haplos to you? Is that even better?
Yes, way better.
We'll get Christian later on to do the test. Can you do that? But you have to choose the right answer. Okay, we'll ask Christian to make you slather. If you can slather, okay. So now we're gonna test brand A. Okay? As you know, brand A. We're not telling you what brand A is, but wow. She's a lotion expert. She's like doing it like wine. Tinatest muna and smell. You can try it also. Wow. How's the slathering going on?
I put on too much, so it's really silky. It's really silky.
Bukas pa tayo matatapos. Slather pa. Bakit put it on your leg? Yan. It's so parang tipid. You can use the whole thing for, your other leg also.
A little goes a long way with this one.
Wow, talaga. You just don't even know how much savings you'll get. With brand A.
Brand.
Check lang. Okay, now let's try brand B. Which you don't have to check because... Okay, let's just check for the heck. Okay. Brand B is walang amoy. Okay. Wow, I wonder what brand B is. Can you tell what brand B is? No, that's it. Brand B is the other brand. Okay. Wow.
Actually, I'm comparing the scent kasi mas mabango yung A.
Wow! Extra points ka, mamaya may giveaway ka. Okay, so, aside from, how come you didn't put a lot?
I actually put in almost everything, no? Pero di ba parang mas madami yung, the spread si Brand A.
We didn't pay her at all, ha? To say this, by the way. This is coming from her heart. Her slathering has taught her that, that brand A seems to be the premium brand, the more mahal brand, and really, a lot goes a long way.
Takot ako magkamali.
Okay. No, but seriously, you're speaking from your heart,
I'm
correct?
speaking, actually honest yung mga sinasabi ko. Totoo naman na mas mabango. Try nyo rin.
Really? Can we have some slathering? Christian, can you Okay, now, can you put some brand A on, give it up for Christian, please. Slather. Can you slather on her? No, she wants to slather your hairy arms. Yeah, she will slather you. Okay. Or put it in. Would you want that? Would you prefer that?
Kahit ano.
Okay. Ayan. Wow.
So, how do you feel, Mr. Christian?
Yeah, I think that smells really good. Tapos I really feel that my skin is too moisturizing. Very good, thank you. And your hands are very soft.
Wala yung kalyo! Because this brand A is so the best. Okay, thank you. Can get out of my Okay.
Oh.
Because nga, grabe ka sa slather. You are the slather expert. Yes. So, what's your name again? Kat. Okay, Kat. So, what is your comment again about A?
A little goes a long way, tas ang bango niya, tas mas madula siya tumite.
Okay. And brand B? What?
Hindi ko gusto talaga yung amoy ng brand.
Okay, so if you had to buy, and you feel, which is the more premium of the brand?
A.
Nasa. And we didn't pay you to say that now.
No.
For the record.
I wish.
You were just walking around here. You were just walking around the mall and we picked you up, correct?
Yeah.
Diba? Okay. And do you know, but aside from choosing A, you chose A, right?
Yes.
So you're not going to switch to B?
No.
Okay, let's see. And brand is? Aside from that, okay, I'm telling you now, you have 80% savings And there's you buy two, you get one free pa. Yes. Pero may giveaway ka kasi tama ang sagot mo because you chose. You don't have to switch because you switched already. Yeah!